Hey, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Al, and I'm back with another video today. I'm gonna start vlogging for the YouTube channel. For all my gaming content, y'all can tune in on my Facebook gaming page. But as far as my YouTube channel, I'm gonna be vlogging. All right, so I figured the best way to start this video off, I just show you what I have as of right now, and then I can show you what I'm gonna put in it today. I already ordered. Hold on, I'm gonna let y'all know that after I show y'all. All right, so as of right now, I have it's a pretty trash setup, but it's loud as hell. So as of right now, I have two Lightning Audio 12s, pieces of crap. This one right here is cracked up and everything, but they still knocking. They're both 500 watts RMS a piece. I don't know the peak. Like I said, they're trash. This amp right here is an MTX Audio Class D monoblock. I think it's rated for like 500 RMS. And I have this JVC 1000 watt max power, so I'm not sure what the RMS of that is. I am running 0 gauge for my power and the ground. As y'all can see, I have this this trash little configuration, like distribution little trash thing. I need to replace it. That's dangerous as hell. So, all right, man, without further ado, I just want to let y'all know what I got. Your boy didn't went all out, went balls deep, just went big dog with it. My car knocked for what it is. I'll let y'all hear it before I put the new stuff in, because as of right now, I only have one of the subs in it, and it really pisses me off that I only have one of the subs. But let me see where I start. All right, look, here we go. So your boy went ahead and I went and ordered me up a Scar Audio RP 4500 1D 4500 watts RMS. This amp peaks at 7,000, and I ordered 2 of these. God damn, I can't wait to open that one right there. This is a Scar ZVX 12 V2 D2. It's the version 2 of the Scar ZVX, and it's a dual 2-ohm voice coil. So that's what the D2 stands for, if anybody wants to know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these opened up and let y'all see what I got. Hey man, hold on. This ain't gonna work. I might have to put the camera down. Nah, we good, we good. All right. Now, hold on. Put that right there. Feel me? Check me out. Check me out. Oh my fucking god. Yo, that shit is beefy as hell. Now I wanna hold on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take all my old stuff just to do a side-by-side comparison. All right, y'all, so before I do this side-by-side comparison, I'm gonna go ahead and play a song. I'm gonna demo a song so y'all can hear what it sounds like as of right now before I put the new stuff in. So we're gonna let y'all hear that real quick. Turn this up. Oh, let me explain my whole setup before I do that. So I have already told you about the subs. For my mids and highs, I have only 4 DS18s on that 1000 watt 4 channel. They're rated for 240 RMS, 240 RMS a piece, and I plan on upgrading that. I might upgrade it to Scar so I can have an all Scar build. Maybe not, I'll see. I might do Scar for my bass and then DS18s for my mids and highs, but we'll see how that goes. 6 in the morning, fucking I'm up. That whole loud too, man. Day ones, I got the same friend. I can walk all the way out here with it. Y'all still here. I'm gonna turn around. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, do this side by side for y'all. And it's gonna be a first time for me seeing this sub in person. I seen a lot of videos on YouTube where they were saying like the sub was huge. It didn't look that big compared to them. So that box right there says 50 pounds, man. And this box is huge. Like I can't even explain how big that is compared to me, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff out and do a size comparison. Hey man, the sun coming out. I got the amp out. I got the old amp out. Now I'm gonna take the box out next. I just wanted to take a quick look and let y'all see like the difference in size. So look at this. So these terminals I think are like, look at that. It's like 4 gauge. And right here we got 0 gauge. That is ridiculous. And they're huge too. Here's the speaker inputs. Man, this looks hard too, boy. Man, I can't wait to mount this in the car, bro. Yeah, what else is pretty neat about this? They send out a, it includes a bass knob. That's the wire for it. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this. God damn it. All right, we back. This is the bass knob. And it don't look cheap either. It's not one of them little cheap ass bass knobs. Yo, the quality on this is like mad crazy. Actually feels and looks like it works. I'm gonna show you my other crappy bass knob, and I just got it hanging up in here, man. This is my other little cheap little bass knob, plastic. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but you can hear it moving. That's ridiculous. So I got the box out the car. This heavy piece of shit. Shit, I'm out of breath. Fuck, I need some Gatorade. All right, y'all, it's time for the moment of truth, man. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this. This is mad hard to do with one hand. Shit. I'm mad scared to see what this look like, yo. Ah, fuck, it's another box. All right, so we're gonna try this again, and I'm gonna cut it open from the bottom because it looked like I'm gonna have to flip it because the top is up, so I'm gonna have to drop it down from the bottom that way. Y'all can see it from the top and not the bottom. This is hard to do with the. All right, I'm gonna manual out the way. Move. I just want to see it. Holy shit. Oh my fucking gosh. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, this shit is huge, nigga. Oh my god. I gotta put this. I can't take this out while I'm recording this. Y'all just got to see it on the table. And it's man higher than, oh my god. Back and look at the difference between these, man. This is freaking ridiculous. This sub is like, oh my god. Yeah, I see what people was talking about now. It looks small on the camera, but this shit is huge. Look at, yo, that shit is mad stiff. Yo, I can't wait to break these bitches in. This is ridiculous. God. Are you serious, bro? Okay. Yeah, this shit looks sweet too, man. It definitely looked the part. Bitch, breathe at the bottom. That is ridiculous. It's like, hold on. This one sub is like 2 of these subs. That's crazy as a. Hey, y'all, check it out though. I got this shit all done. I already got the wires ran and everything, man. I just need to get this up. This is shit ready, bro. Oh, and I got a distribution block too. Screw that hole down. Yo, my shit dirty. Y'all could tell I've been working too, boy. Shit.